What are physical features? The land surface of India varies from place to place, means it is not the same everywhere. It has high mountains, a big plateaus, large plains, a desert, lakes, rivers, etc. These are called the physical features of India. Children, do you know the difference between physical map and political map? The physical map shows the natural features of a place such as mountains, water bodies, plains, etc. Whereas the political map displays cities, states, countries and other boundaries. Now you already know that India is one of the most beautiful country in the world. Why? Because it has many landforms. So let us learn what are landforms and the different variety of landforms in our country. Landforms of the earth. Landforms are natural formation of the surface of the earth like mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, and islands are called landforms. Means in India, some places have mountains while others have flat land. At some places, the land is made up of rocks. At other places, it is covered with sand. So, India is called a land of diversity because of its different landforms and different cultures. Now, let us read these diverse landforms of our country. Now, let's learn first hills and mountains. A high land with a round top is called a hill. You can see a hill in this picture. So a hill is a high land with a round top. The Vindhya Ranges, Satpura Ranges and Nilgiri Hills are examples of hills. Do you know the Nilgiri Hills are an important destinations too? Now children, do you know how these Vindhya ranges are formed? Watch a story on Vindhya range.
There were two mountains, Vindhya and Meru. The sun used to go around Meru but not Vindhya. This made Vindhya jealous. He asked the sun to encircle him but was refused. In anger, Vindhya grew taller and taller. Soon the mountain grew so tall that there was an imbalance in the earth. The earth was plunged in darkness. Without sunlight, creatures started to die. Indra, the king of Devas, went to sage Agastya, who was the guru of the Vindhya mountains, and told him the problem. O great sage, do something and make the Vindhya go back to its original size. When Vindhya saw sage Agastya, he bowed his head in respect. Agastya said, I have to go for some important work. Stay in this position till I return. Vindhya realized his mistake but could not disobey a sage and stayed down. Agastya never returned.
Now let us learn what are mountains. Mountains are landforms that rise up to thousands of meters above the land surface. These are solid rocky masses present in long chains. Now what are mountains? Very high hills with sharp peaks are called mountains. Now look in picture children. The tips of mountains are called peaks. And a long chain of mountains is called a mountain range. Now look to the picture. These are called ranges.